loyals, hope you're okay, hope you're doing well, and if you're new, welcome to this channel. So today we have another unboxing, but this time it's all new in, everything that Zara brought in. Well, not everything.
I think some.
Please. So hopefully you guys like them. Me and Mom were literally just talking about the trends that are coming up and realized colour is such a huge part of
huge
the current trends and what we're going into. So we've got some coloured pieces for you. And Mommy, do you want to tell them anything you want to add?
I mean, we were looking at the colourful things on Zara's website. And they are colourful, guys. I won't lie.
No,
they're
guys,
in your face.
we always
The
talk about
neons, they say dopamine, isn't it?
Yeah.
Pinata. You know the that's what it's in. But I thought that for me, I do colourful, I don't mind. But like I've always said, I go for pieces that I know I'll use for a very long time. So I thought that accessories and typically shoes, because if you look at our channel, we like shoes a lot.
We like shoes a lot.
Yeah, so we use those to bring the
introduction
in. So I picked
trends.
up these shoes. I thought that if you're scared to do the color, this would be a way to go.
Good way to go about it.
So
yes, without further ado, let's jump.
This shoe was the culprit, believe it or not. This is the reason why I did this shop, because it's almost like, I don't think we have orange cut shoes, do we?
No, definitely not. And this, when we said color, I hope you guys can see.
I don't think it's
even reflecting. Guys, like this is what, if you're cycling, this is the orange, or your construction worker that we're talking about. But yeah, it's very neon, very bright, just brings color. And I think the whole concept of dopamine is almost like happiness, joy, like it brings all of that stuff. And so
even if you're not sure what they're talking about, look at your highlighters. The colors
in your highlighters. This is what you're wearing on your feet. This was in a size 6 and was $27.99. It has a fabric finish, which I always say that I don't know how to feel about, because if you walk around in it, then it's like you have that possibility.
I think they want to give you like a satin finish, but it's not satin. Do you know what, Nisha? Low-key, I'm more confident in this fabric than satin.
Oh yeah.
Because I feel like they've made it such that it should be durable.
Right. Get that. Yeah. So again, one of those things that when you get to the venue, I'd say change, because in the UK, the way the floor is and the concrete and but really nice. Again, the heel height. The heel looks slightly asymmetrical, but it's only slight. So I don't know if you'll see. Really nice, very easy. Doesn't feel high. Does it feel
It feels a little bit high, but it's not unbearable.
Right. Yeah, because their heel heights are usually short, or the ones we get are quite small.
Yeah,
so
we normally get 3.5, 3.7.
Yeah.
I think this is 3.9, almost 4 inch.
Right.
4 inch.
So yeah, for those of you guys who can rock high heels, this will not be too bad for you at all. Zara always accommodate for your feet.
It won't be difficult. It's a walk in the park. Even if I can stand, and I'm almost 50, so it's not.
Like for me, it's just the color. It's almost like blinding. Not even exaggerating, but it's really nice. And yeah, I mean, the styling for this, I will be excited to see. I'm excited.
Already, I can see an all denim outfit. And then you pop this on there and then
finish.
Yeah, done.
I'm liking.
This is color, liberty of color, or freedom in color, isn't it?
Freedom in color, yeah.
Because you have to think outside the box to be able to rock these things.
Yeah. We've got another pair, which was this really beautiful purple/violet yes. Really nice color. Again, not as garish or as daring as the orange. So if you still want to join the dopamine gang, it's like this. It's a very good way to go about it. Same finish, exactly the same price as well, and new in. So they've just released it, and yeah, really nice. Very easy. I think this is really good for spring.
But the truth of the matter is that I just bought it and I said that if they're good, I'll just keep the orange, because we have a green.
We have a green
already.
Yeah.
But I just wanted to see the difference in this green and the one we have already.
And as per, like Mommy said, there's always a green edition, which we have to show you guys. And this one is, it's almost like apple, but like fluorescent.
Yeah, it's apple. Yeah, you're right. A good description.
Yeah, it still has a bit of a bright sort of neon finish, but it doesn't go into the limey yellows. It's still apple green, but it's quite prominent. Again, so size 6, $27.99. I'm gonna show you guys all of them.
I'm surprised Zara didn't do a yellow version.
Oh really? I'm not surprised. I don't see much yellow from Zara in terms of shoes. Purp and bags, actually, yeah. Yellow is not really
Maybe
common.
people don't like the yellow.
Yeah, maybe. But yeah, guys, this is... Were these all the colours?
Yeah, these were the exact 3 colors. And I wanted to show it so that people... I think the orange is out of stock. The green is nearly out of stock.
Yeah.
The purple is there.
Yeah, I'd imagine it would be the least popular. But yeah, this is the...
They were 27, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think if you want to dip your toe into color, I would go with this one. Unless you are a very colorful person and you go for the blazers and whatnot.
Then, yeah. This one. And then the last thing in that box is this hat. It goes with my youth. So this is in a size medium. Again, it's one of the sort of short-rimmed, what's this called, bucket hats. It has the cool little Zara, which looks...
is it rubberized?
Yeah, and it's rubberized.
Okay.
So again, if it's raining or anything, it's actually quite useful as well as aesthetically pleasing. I think Mummy medium is the best. It just slides on perfectly. So, yeah, you guys like my outfit, you know? Yeah.
It goes with the outfit.
Yeah, so, yeah, fits very nicely. It doesn't even feel like suffocatingly tight, but I can feel that it's not blowing away. So, yeah, it's really,
maybe the Lotto, I don't know if the Lotto, they have menswear, but maybe it'd be good for Nana B. Because we're going to do men's styling, so at some point you'll see it as well.
Yeah. Moving on to the next box, we've also got some Chirena set in here. We've got these green and white trainers. Like we were saying, they're going really far back into like the retro trainers. You see a lot of grandpa-esque finish, all of that stuff. And so with these ones, I was literally telling Mummy that you would see your mum's picture from back in the day. She's in a pair of mum jeans, a nice t-shirt, she's feeling groovy. So this is what it gives me, the vibe it gives me. Really nice, very simple. And they were like £9. They were very, very inexpensive. So
originally, how much were they?
Originally, they were $27.99, and we got them in a size 6. And for me personally, actually, I wear white trainers more so than black. I don't know. I think it makes the outfit look better. And so if you have a few nice pairs, they won't run. Do you know what I'm ruin? What am I trying to say? They won't ruin easily because you have a few. So yeah, £9, really, really good. And in comparison to other trainers like Nike and stuff, in terms of even keeping it clean and its wear and tear, they're very similar, very, very similar. So yes, and like this with a little pop of color, it's really nice.
And I was also thinking that the little pop of color, if you're still scared of the shoe, then you go with something like that, because it's just white with just a a
slight
green. Yeah.
And the last box I have for you guys has some clothing items.
I think these were mostly Nana B's t-shirt.
Okay. So first ones we have, this is almost like marigold.
Yeah, right? Marigold, yeah.
Yeah, so a nice t-shirt in large. This was from men's section. Really nice and soft. I like the hems, the finishing. It's all really neat.
It's amazing how color affects your skin.
Your skin tone.
Yeah,
it's true.
Because immediately you put up marigold, you've gone a hint darker. Yeah.
Yeah. Colors have that effect, and so that's why people be like, "Oh, red is my color," or "blue is my color," because of how it contrasts or complements.
I think I'm dark, so nothing can make me any darker.
Really.
So I can wear
anything rocks. And it's the same for both. So you see the Scandinavian, really like white people,
pale,
dark people, they have no problems. And I'm gonna show you the second one as well because it's kind of the same. But I think it's a different size. Yeah, so this is an XL.
2 sizes.
So we've got these t-shirts. So yeah, spring and summer, these will prove very useful. They'll look really cool, and you're still on this dopamine trend, which is really, really, really nice. Is one cropped and one isn't, or am I holding this weird? I was gonna say
probably holding.
There we go. So yeah, these t-shirts.
I think if we do his and hers, you and Nana can style it.
This one, another t-shirt, and I think it's the same one, just a different color. This is like what, lemon yellow, or it's not?
I thought it was like a proper yellow, but it's not.
It's not. It's a bit pale, isn't it?
Yeah.
And this one is also in a size XL. Again, it's like a very nice, very soft, really good finish.
They are not a jersey fabric though. They feel like they're knitted.
Yes.
Isn't it? Like
that's the finish. a little bit of ease to it as t-shirts should, and yeah, they're just the way they've done the hems and the neckline, everything's really neat. So love these. How much were they from Zara?
I think $5.99. I think, I can't remember it now.
Now the last one in here is actually a jumper. And it's
This it said yellow on the side, and then
it said yellow.
Yeah, and then it's come tan.
Oh, alright. This is like tan or camel, and it's still really nice though. It's just that obviously for this to be yellow, color's quite off Zara. But yeah, really nice knitwear jumper. This one isn't like your full-on heavy chunky knits. It's just a nice throw one if you have, for a guy, because this men's section, obviously if you have your jeans and stuff, it will work. For girls, if you wanted to put it on top with a skirt or anything, it will look really nice. Also in an XL, and I'm guessing a similar price range, right?
No, this was I think $12.99.
12. Oh, okay.
Because obviously it's a jumper, it's a long sleeve.
It's long sleeve, yeah. It's gonna cost more. Yeah.
How much was it originally?
It was originally $29.
Okay. So I think it was $12.99 or something like that.
So yeah, really nice, cute one, but it feels durable even though it's not as like heavy. Really, really good.
I think I was saying that are you done? There was another box, but it was one of those bags that we've done in the past. But you can take it out. Let me show you. It's not very in your face highlighter, but it's a type of color. Yeah.
Still introduces that vibe.
Well
I'm guessing they're probably like 19 now or 15.
I can't remember. I think it's 19 or something like that.
So yeah, like Mommy said, a really nice introduction if you don't want to go full random.
But funny enough, I also got this one to change the color to purple.
To purple? Oh.
To
go with the shoe?
You remember, not to go with the shoe, but to have generally. Because there was a purple unboxing we did, but it was synthetic, if you remember.
Of this? Yeah, that sounds very familiar.
Yeah, so I thought, when this came to 19, I said, okay, let me get it and say,
take advantage.
Yeah. Because we got it earlier, but then it was too small, so we went
got
back
it in a larger size. Yeah,
larger.
Medium is just for Zara my perfect head size. So we'll give this a try as well. It's just puffer, as you guys can see, so it's a nice change because they're usually like felt or like a different fabric, and it is adjustable in the back. So if you want it to really cinch in, and yeah, you can do that with this. So
I think we're in a season of glowing, isn't it? Everything is bright, colourful.
We are shining into 2022.
Colour me free, like some of the designers said. Neon, yeah. Column of colours.
Column of colours. Sorry, wait.
So we're excited. Wherever you shop, let us know.
Yeah.
Anything colourful that you've gotten for the season.
And yeah, hopefully you guys have enjoyed this unboxing generally. I really have, and I like the majority of what we got this time round. And yeah, hopefully we'll see you guys in the next one. If it fits,
feel free and have fun styling it.
Bye guys.
Bye.